Screen flick as new window.
Hello, this is Justin, and I'm going to talk about how to manage lists in Google Chrome and Google Docs using NVDA. So we're going to look at bulleted lists, numbered lists, and checkbox lists, although I'm not quite sure what you do with those. So I'm in my document here. I'm going to go to the top.
Title, a cool document title.
Control Home. I'm going to just navigate down with the down arrow to my items that I want to make into a list.
Blank, heading, blank, collaborate, lots of accessible on the easy menu structure.
Okay, here it is.
Lock, collaboration, blank.
Just going back up with the up arrow. I'm at the top of it right now.
Collaboration.
So there's a few different ways that I can make this into a list. All things related to lists are available under Format, Alt-O.
Format submenu.
And then List, which I can get to with T, where I can navigate with the down arrow.
Text, paragraph, line and bullets and switch to pages, bullets and numbering T field right pointer submenu.
It's called Bullets and Numbering, and you did hear there it says T, so I'll press that.
T, numbered list menu and field right pointer submenu.
And then we have our there's 3 list options in here, starting with bullets.
Bulleted list menu B field right pointer submenu.
And then bullet.
Checklist menu H field right pointer submenu.
And then checklist. And then there are submenus in here, and these basically just contain the option to select whatever the item is that you want.
Numbered list menu and field right pointer submenu.
Unfortunately, they don't. I'm going to find bulleted list
Bulleted
here.
list menu B field right pointer submenu.
If I press right arrow, unfortunately, it's not very verbose here.
Menu item.
You hear it just says menu item, and in navigating with up and down arrow keys, we don't hear anything. If I press enter,
created checklist with 1 item, menu bar.
That's interesting. So see, there are some options in there, and it's not the most verbose. So what I recommend doing,
application clickable space, created check.
I just press the escape key. It went into browse mode. I'll go back into forms mode by pressing NVDA space.
Created. Download. Why use Google Doc?
And let's see.
Created checklist with 1 item, document region. Created. Create.
So that's interesting. I'm going to go ahead and reload by pressing F6.
Toolbar.
Pressing enter.
docs.google.com/document/d/ I use Google Docs document application document content edit multi-line blank.
Okay, let's try
Braille support
again
enabled.
here.
A cool document title. Why use?
And now Braille support and screen reader support has been enabled.
Black heading level 2. Why use?
And we're back in business. So sometimes we have to troubleshoot things with Google Docs, and that's the way that we would handle it.
Blank. Lots of people use it.
So I'm back at my list, and frankly, I think the best way that you can deal with lists, if you want to have a number,
created numbered list with 1 item.
You can press Control-Shift-7 for bullets, Control-Shift-8.
Updated to bulleted list.
For checkboxes, Control-9.
Updated to checklist.
If you decide you don't want it to be a list anymore, just press the same exact command you pressed before and it will toggle it off. But what if you forget? We'll all go back to bullets with 8.
Updated to bulleted list.
And I'll press it again.
Removed 1 list item.
And it just toggles it off.
List out of list, no indent, lots accessible, lots of list, checkbox not checked, checkbox unchecked, space collaboration.
And here's the checkbox that I had before. I'll just convert that to a bullet.
Updated to bulleted list. Out of list, no indent, blank.
I can press Control-Shift down arrow.
List bullet collaboration.
And select all these.
Collaboration, lots of people, accessible on easy menu struck, keyboard commands, line feed select, line feed unselected.
I'm just going back up from that line feed. I didn't want to select a blank line. And then I'll press Control-Shift-8.
Added items to list, collaboration bullet, lots of people use it, bullet accessible on desktop and mobile, bullet easy menu.
I can just press Control to not listen to that. And now I have a bulleted list. If I wanted to, I could press Control-Shift-7.
Google Apps Script. Google Apps Script is a cloud-based platform that allows users to create applications. Out of list blank. Select list 1, collab 2, 3, accessible on desktop and mobile.
And you see that it automatically numbers them.
4, 5, keyboard command. Out of list blank.
If I want to add an item, I go up to the last item.
List 5, keyboard commands.
Press the End key.
E.
Press Enter.
6 point.
And then you heard 6, or you would hear bullet if it was a bullet. And you just add your item.
G-O-O-L space A-P-S space S-R-R-P-T.
I'm going to again change these back to bullets by pressing Control-Shift-Up arrow to select the whole thing.
Google easy accessible on lots of people use it. Collaboration tools. One unselected.
I just pressed it until the whole thing was selected, then Control-Shift-8.
Updated to bulleted list unselected. Out of list blank.
Checking my work with the down and up arrows.
List bullet collaborate bullet lock bullet accept bullet easy men bullet K bullet Google Apps spelling error script keyboard commands. Bullet K blank. Bullet Google Apps spelling error script keyboard commands.
Oh, it looks like I edited in the middle
out of list blank.
Of an
list bullet Google
I
Apps.
see what I did here. Just press End key.
Out of spelling Google Apps script keyboard commands select
item, type
K Y space C M N commands step blank C M N S commands.
Go up.
Bullet K.
Up arrow. And
blank
just
K.
retype
G O O E space A P S space S I T.
Google Apps script.
Bullet keyboard out of list blank. List bullet key bullet Google Apps bullet easy menu structure.
And I believe
bullet Google Apps script. Bullet Google Apps script bullet selected. Bullet easy menu bullet Google Apps script. Move one paragraph down. Google Apps script.
You'll recall that Google Apps script was at the end, so focusing over Google Apps script, I press Control Alt down arrow.
Out of list blank. Select list bullet Google Apps script. Bullet keyboard commands.
And with the arrows up and down, I just confirmed that it is now arranged the way I wanted it to go. So you can press Alt Shift up and down arrow to move paragraphs within your document. So that's really helpful instead of clicking and dragging and so forth. So this has been how to manage list items in a Google document using NVDA. I hope this has been helpful. If it has, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other videos I should make. Thanks.